Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question: can you pair the left and right earbuds to the devices simultaneously? And no, you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You can pair both of your earbuds to device or two devices, because these earbuds support dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. Also you can listen to music with one earphone. So you just put one of your earbuds to the charging case, or remove only one from the charging case, then close the case, and you can use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection, but I use only one earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!